Hi, Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater, here today with a video walkthrough of a 2020 Sea Ray 23 SPX outboard. This boat has the beautiful Sea Ray blue hull sides, stainless rub rail. Moving around to the back, we'll see it's powered by a white 200 horsepower Mercury V6 4-stroke outboard. So let's step aboard and take a look. First, you'll notice a telescoping boarding ladder, very easy access into the boat. Watersports tow post. You have a grab handle to aid entry into the boat. Very nice wide pass through. You have the sun pad in the back with flip up backrest for lounging. And stepping inside of the cockpit, you'll see it has a huge amount of space. You have a removable igloo cooler under the back seat. Again, back to the sun pad. Since we have the outboard, we have a large amount of storage, fully gel coated. You'll see the bow and cockpit removable tables. Cooler under the starboard seat. Dual captain's chairs for the captain and passenger. Up on the port side, we do have the pump out head. Nicely appointed jet dash, fusion speakers and stereo. 5-inch Simrad multi-function display for your engine data, depth finder, and chart plotter. And very spacious bow seating with storage underneath the seats and anchor locker forward. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649. So give me a call, come on down and see this boat in person, or give me a call, set up a demo, get on the water today. Thanks for joining. Hope to see you soon.